The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of FreeCAD. Today's video clip is Additive Sphere Shape Changes. To start this project, we create a file to store the contents. File, New, File, Save As, Additive Sphere Shape Changes. Create Body, Additive Sphere, Isometric, XY Plane, Radius 0.5 inches. Change U parameter from 360 degrees to 300 degrees. Sphere shape changed. Change V parameters from minus 90 degrees to minus 20 degrees. Sphere shape cut off the bottom. Change V parameters from 90 degrees to 40 degrees. Sphere shape change cut off the top. Okay, the sphere shape has changed. This concludes additive sphere shape changes.